are going to be talking about to do mockup design with your smartphone. A lot of people have been having issues like creating mockups is not easy on smartphone, but then there is application for you to do that. Mockup design is easy with this application for those who doesn't have a laptop. So I'm going to scroll to this application, and this is the application here. As you see, this application down here, it's written in Arabic. So let me just click on it so we get started immediately. Now the name of this application is called PhotoG, but then it's an Arabic application. It's an application designed by an Arabic guy. Okay, so once you click on the application is PhotoG, and the link for this video is in the description. So check there to download the application. The application is called PhotoG. Now all you have to do is click on new project. Okay, now it's empty. Now this is where the journey started. You click on sticker, then on the first you see effect from gallery, so you click on that, then with crop. Okay, then now for you to design this to use this application, you must have saved your logo without background. Save it without background. Okay, so I have some designs on my phone, so let me just scroll down to it. I designed them not this one. I think it's okay. Can you see now? This design, it's not, I save it without background, it doesn't have a background. So the next thing is you increase the size, click on size, then increase it here, then you close. Okay, now after then you click on these three dots at this right top here, click on it, then you click on change ratio. Now this is where the main journey starts. So you change this to 1005 by 1005. Then this Arabic word here, click on it. Then this one over here, click on it. So you have our design like this, then drag it up. Okay, again you click on the three dots. Now you click on convert to mockup, click on accept. Okay, oh sorry, your data should be on. For you to use this application, your data should be on. You need a data connection. Alright, so let's go back, accept. Okay, so if you have a good network, it's going to load very fast, and if not, it's going to be very slow. But then okay, let's try it on this. Alright, you wait for it. Now when you get to this stage, you click on this Arabic word here. Alright, so our design is loading. Oh, I actually don't like it. Now this is the design, but then it's not visible. Alright, so let's go back and create another one, just the same step, but then you don't need to change ratio because it is there already. Okay, so click on convert to 3D mockup. Let's check for another design. Okay, let's do this. Okay, now when you get here, you need to click on the one with blue, not the one with brown. Click the one with blue. That's what is going to load the mockup for you. Alright, so let's see what it's going to do for us again. Oh, I think my network is slow here. Alright, well, the name is not showing very well, but then that's a good try. So let's try one more. Let's look for another one and see. I need one that will show the word very well. So scroll up. A lot a lot of mockups there. Just scroll and pick the one you're going to use. Let's try this. Okay, so it's going to load. All right, so yes, I think this is better. Okay, so I'm going to save it now. For you to save the any of this mockup to your phone, now you click on the black dot, the black Arabic word, the Arabic word in black background. Just click on it, then you wait for it to load the 100, and good. We have our design. So go. Let's check our design. All right. So can you see? This is our design. So it's as simple as this. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel if you have not subscribed. Hit the like button, and if you have any comments, you have any question, you can drop it in the comment section. Thank you once again, and God bless.